You're watching How Leap. Let's change the screen recording save location on your Mac. Start a screen recording by pressing Shift Command 5. This opens the on-screen controls. Before you start recording, click Options in the Controls menu. In the drop-down, look at the Save To section. By default, it is set to Desktop. Click to select a new location such as Documents, Downloads, or Other Location. If you choose Other Location, a Finder window will open. Navigate to and select the folder you prefer. Your choice will be remembered for future recordings until you change it again. You can also change the default save location for all screenshots and recordings through Terminal. Open Terminal and type this command, replacing the path with your desired folder. Defaults right com, Apple, screen capture. Location documents, then press Enter. Next, type Killel systemuserver and press Enter to apply the change. Now all new screenshots and screen recordings will save to that folder. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.